Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 5 of the handbag unboxing frenzy in February, where I do 28 days of unboxings every single day. And to those who are new here, welcome. Hi, my name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. Today we have a fun little unboxing because it's actually a bag from a brand that I don't typically purchase from. It's quite popular, but true to my style, I obviously went with a vintage version of this bag. I will say I've actually already worn this bag and I've actually shared it on my Instagram. So if you follow me on my Instagram, I'll put a link here or in the info bar below. You would probably already know this because I did do a little sneak peek of it. If you guys want to see how I style any of these bags that I'm showing to you, please do go ahead and follow my Instagram. That's where you'll see all these styling videos. But let's get on to the video. So the bag that I'm going to reveal to you today, please welcome my latest handbag edition, and that is the Bottega small hobo bag in the gorgeous cream color. So I actually bought this last year, I believe in October. I got it from DCT Vintage. I'm sure you guys have heard of DCT Vintage. I've done many collaborations with them before. They are a trusted Japanese consignment seller. They do have an Instagram page and also their website. I love them. The people that work there are the sweetest, and yeah, I really do recommend them and trust them. They take a lot of photos and they take great care in sort of portraying their bags accurately, and they also do like Instagram lives where they show the bags in real life. So if you're interested, I'll put their link. Not sponsored, but I just feel the need to share my love for them because they are amazing. This bag I got from DCT Vintage during, I think, their Black Friday sale or something like that, where I was able to get, I think, 20% off. They did have like 25% off or 30% off later, which I was kicking myself for, because if I waited I could have gotten a little bit more of a discount, but I really didn't want it to sell because I've been meaning to add like some sort of intricato, I don't even know. I'm sorry, Mel. Mel does a lot of videos and she pronounces all the handbags so well because she is Italian. But yes, this is the woven sort of style from Bottega. I got it in the most gorgeous like off-white beigey cream color. It really is like a off-white rather than the beige, but it is a perfect neutral summer bag. Like, for example, this goes so well with my outfit right now. It's so like relaxed, it's so carefree, and I specifically wanted to get it in this smaller size. I do know like the vintage Bottega, they have really big sizes, and I didn't really see this small one on eBay or any other pre-loved websites until I saw DCT Vintage, and it was in this gorgeous neutral color. Of course I had to jump on it. This is pretty simple, as you can see. It's just a one shoulder, like a single strap shoulder bag. You open it up using this zipper, and then inside it's black, and it does have one pocket. The back, it's got one pocket. It says here Bottega Veneta, made in Italy, and then yeah, it's got a pocket in there. So it's a really nice medium-sized bag that you can wear every day. It really is very easy and casual. I have to say, it doesn't have too big of a loop. It's probably more of a summer bag for me, without too many layers, because when you start wearing layers it's a little bit hard to keep on and off. But it is the most gorgeous, like luxurious, like leather, and the wear and tear of this is pretty amazing. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I think it's just under 1,000 US, so maybe 1,200 or something like that I paid for here in Australia. They do sell a lot of like Bottega on DCT Vintage. I do see like a lot of the like mini Jodie bags, which I think is cute. Like, as much as I do like a handbag, like just a little top handle, I kind of have been really feeling shoulder bags lately, and so I jumped on this one. I think this is really cute for like summer. So yeah, this is it, you guys. This is my handbag reveal today. A pretty simple one. I'm not really sure what else to say. I do love it, and yeah, this is only my second, I think, Bottega piece that I've added to my collection. The first one is like that cosmetic pouch. But yeah, this is my Bottega bag. Super cute. I think it will look amazing during summer and spring for like with like whites and creams and beiges. I think it would look very nice, and it's such a just a classy color. I think Melissa has this in the brown, and I think she just got a really big version as well. She looks amazing with all her bags. I'll put her channel in the info bar below as well. She is always the one that inspires me with all my vintage handbag purchases, because she is just like iconic. So go and subscribe to her if you haven't already. But that is it from me, you guys. That is my handbag reveal for today. I didn't realize how much work these videos are gonna be. I was like, I can't believe I've only filmed 5 videos of reveals, but we will see how we go. Please pray for me. I would really love your support in this, because it's probably going to be a serious endeavor. I just realized now what I've signed up for, but fingers crossed we will get through this and we will power through. I may be late with some videos. If I am, I will probably just put 2 videos in one day or something like that, but I will try to upload everything within February. That is my goal. Anyways, you guys, I would really appreciate a like on this video, a like in this colossal February unboxing month that I'm trying to undertake. It would really mean a lot if you could subscribe and share with friends and family. As always, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.